Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of I Done Did Goofed. Sure did. With Vlogmas having just happened, I had filmed this before Vlogmas happened, this video. And Vlogmas takes up a lot of memory card space. Sometimes, rarely, but sometimes I delete the wrong file. So the beginning of this Stitch Fix video was deleted. I mean, honestly, out of everything, I think this is the best one that could have been deleted. Or maybe the third part, the ending, would have been best to have been deleted. But overall, it's okay. I didn't lose the part where I'm trying on the clothes, so I just figured I need to come on here and redo the intro. So, Stitch Fix. Hello, welcome. I've been doing Stitch Fix for a long time here. I am not sponsored or anything, and this is just, I just love Stitch Fix, honestly, I do. I love getting to try on clothes that I wouldn't normally try out, and overall, I just like having nice quality clothes in my closet. That's kind of been my thing lately. It's just like the good old few reliables. And by few, I mean, if you looked at my closet, you would say it's a little more than a few, but do you get what I'm saying? I mean, like this sweatshirt I got from Stitch Fix, the clothes that I've kept from them have held up so well, have been really nice quality. I like Stitch Fix, okay? I don't know why I feel I need to defend myself here. But either way, if you have never heard of Stitch Fix before, I technically am an affiliate. Anyone can be if you have an account. But if you do want to check out Stitch Fix for yourself, I would much appreciate it if you use my affiliate link down below. It not only gets you some money off of your first Stitch Fix, but it also gives me some kickback to basically spend on clothing from Stitch Fix, if I'm being completely honest. But yeah, so if you want to, go ahead, take your little style profile quiz. You can tell your stylist what you're looking for in your wardrobe, what your style is, what closet needs you still have. They do accessories, shoes, coats, bags, clothing. They've got men's, plus size, women's, children's, I think are their departments or subcategories, whatever you would call them. I do really want to do a Stitch Fix for Dan. I think that would be a lot of fun. But either way, so they do this thing now where you get to preview your box, and so your stylist will send you 10 items that, I think it's 10, that they were thinking of would be good for you, and then you get to choose which 5 you want to receive in your box. Or if you don't find 5 items amongst the 10, then you just select the ones that you are interested in, or maybe none of them that you're interested in, and then your stylist will just surprise you, fill in those blanks for your box to come. It's not a subscription, you can do it as often or unoften as you would like. I think you can do it as frequently as every 2 weeks. I personally have mine set to every month and a half. I really should switch it to every 2 months, but either way, I really love it. If you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off of every item in your box, and the $20 styling fee that you pay to get your Stitch Fix, if you end up keeping any of the clothing, that $20 goes towards the clothing. I mean, I just think it's all around a good deal, a good time. Some of the stuff is a little overpriced, yes, but you can also set your price point where you like your clothes to land. So here we have the things that were in my preview. First off, this Bobo, is that how you pronounce it? Sweater. You guys, I could not pass this up. A nice creamy white for the winter here. Got that popcorn texture to it, a bit of a balloon sleeve it looks like. I mean, do I love $68 for a sweater? No. But like, come on, it's me. I love a good sweater. So I did choose that one. Next up, we have got this 1822 denim, 44 bucks for a jegging. I mean, I think that's a pretty fair price for retail. I just have jeans. I have plenty of jeans. So unless they're like a really unique pair or something, I'm good in the jean department. So if I didn't have any, I probably would have picked these, but I have enough jeans, so I did not pick these. We have also got this sweater, this Vero Moda textured crew neck sweater. Did I say crew neck? Crew neck. Gorgeous color. They say it's dark green. I would call this more of like a seafoam teal, but semantics. It's a nice looking sweater, but it's pretty plain overall, and I want my pieces to be simple and comfy, but also enough to like work on their own, stand out on their own, kind of. So I did pass on this one. This one, I wasn't sure about. I like the concept of it, and I feel like this kind of like split color blocking is, I mean, it was definitely trendy many years ago, but I feel like it never really went out of trend, and it's kind of coming back. And I like the neutrals, the browns and creams, and so this one, I wasn't sure it was gonna look great on me, but I did decide to try it out. This sweater though, my God, is a beauty. I mean, this is me in sweater form. I love the checkerboard, the black with the super colorful pops of squares in there. It's from Steve Madden, so usually, you know, pretty good quality there. I just always worry with these kind of sweaters that the quality is too good and it's gonna be made of wool and just be itchy and too hot for me since I'm a hot-blooded person, but I couldn't pass this one up, guys. I had to try this one out. We then had this Kaylee smocked knit top. It was one that I was kind of teetle-tottling about. Teetle-tottling? What is wrong with me? Teeter-tottering on this one. I feel like it could look really nice, like a nice semi-casual but like professional enough looking work shirt. I just personally, where that middle band is, or the bottom band on the shirt, probably gonna be around the area of my tummy that I dislike the most, so I just wasn't sure that I would be comfortable in this. And I feel like I've gotten quite a few dresses from the Kaylee brand from Stitch Fix, and I just feel like the fabrics that they use, I'm sure it keeps their prices down, but it's just kind of usually always a cheapy, scratchy kind of fabric, so I did pass on that one. These Market and Spruce boots, so cute. I do not have an olive pair of boots. It's a great neutral, but like a colorful neutral by being olive. Sorry for the sirens. I hope everyone's okay. So it's scary for me. I mean, I do have in my profile that I have or need a wide width shoe, and these looked really narrow. So I was definitely taking a risk wanting to try these, but like I just couldn't pass it up. They're simple, but I think they're cute. They've got the little zipper on the sides. I couldn't help myself. So I did go ahead and pick these boots to try. These utility pants, I don't know what my stylist, why they thought these would be good for me. I don't. But they picked these for me and I promptly said, no thank you. We also had this dress from Fortune and Ivy. I mean, as cute as it is, I mean, it looks like it would probably be cute on me. I like the crisscrosses in the back and whatnot. The floral is fine, but it's not really my kind of a floral, I don't think. And just overall, just not feeling it. So I passed on that one. And then they also suggested this top, which I do think it's cute, this Threads for Thought button-up plaid shirt. I like the ombre down with the darkness at the bottom, and I think it's a good color, you know, would be cute on a lot of people. I don't know, flannels or like the checker print like that, and the collar button-up, it's just not my thing. I feel like I used to wear them a decent amount, but lately, or the past few years or whatever, it just hasn't been my thing. So I went ahead and passed on that one, even though I was kind of tempted to try it out, especially since I feel like when I did this box, it was a little more in the fall weather rather than the winter weather, so it was kind of fitting for the season. But that meant I only picked out 4 things. So for my 5th thing, I just asked my stylist to please send some kind of a lightweight but still cozy for the fall jacket that I could wear. I don't think I gave any more specifics than that, so why am I still to the side? So yeah, that is what I got for my preview and what I asked for. I'm sorry I don't have me unboxing the items, but I did get the 4 that I requested, and then, like I said, they did also send me a jacket, which upon first seeing it, I was very excited about. It was a good color. I thought the material was nice because it was like sturdy but stretchy, so you'll see how that looked, and you'll see how everything else looked on me, and then I'll go over pricing and let you guys know what I kept. So, sorry, like I said, for the slight kind of this being put together, needing to refilm this intro, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Cassie from the past, take it away. Alright, so as I said, these two need to earn their keep here, so they are going to help rate the clothing. First off, we have sweater number 1. It feels amazing. I feel like I'm wearing a blanket. It's got the sleeves where we have the tightness around the wrist, but it's all flowy. Now this is a balloon sleeve. Did we get 2 stars? 2 meows? 3 meows? 4 meows? This is a 5. This is a 5 meows out of 5 meows.
Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
4 out of 5.
Okay. I mean, it feels comfy.
My criteria is a little bit more strict than yours do.
Like I said, I can't really see. I mean, it's definitely not like a form-fitting sweater or anything, so I'm gonna assume that's what Dan dislikes about it. It doesn't show off all the goods as good.
It's just, it's very plain.
It is a plain
sweater. But it
sweater.
looks very, very comfortable.
It is. And it's got this, like, the
That's
high-low
why I
thing.
bumped it from a 3 to a 4 for comfort.
Is it better now?
Yes.
Alright, but we got the 5 meows.
You're
Very happy about it.
gonna look like what happens when you take a bite of a Magnum bar.
It's an ice cream bar?
Yeah.
Okay, here is sweater number 2. We have got the spliced. We have silence from the peanut gallery. I mean, it feels perfectly normal, but
Yeah.
does it not do much for me?
You look like a profile of an ice cream sandwich.
Do? How many stars? How many meows? That's a pretty solid 0 meows from Do. So, that's not the best. That's not the best. I think maybe it would be better if the sleeve actually went up to the shoulder. I don't know. Okay.
Like a 2.5.
Oof, okay. That's not great.
Mid for me.
That's not great. Now this sweater is amazing. I hope it looks good. Isn't it cool?
Mm-hmm.
It's also a little itchy scratchy though. It's so warm. I don't know that I would actually wear it. I do really like it though. I don't know that it does anything for me, but I love the thought of it. I love the colors. It's kind of itchy. It's kind of itchy.
Oh, I can see that,
Yeah. And just
yeah.
like
It looks pretty. I like that one.
and just like wouldn't breathe. I don't know. Maybe it'd feel better if I had like a cami on underneath it. But what do we think? What do we think? Do we have thoughts on this sweater? That's a big yikes.
I think he's just tired.
Dude. How many tail flicks? 1, 2, 3 and a half. This gets 3.5 tail flicks. I'll take it. So, yeah, I'm a little sad, but also a little happy because, like I said, I don't know about the texture of like I'm already about to sweat so hard.
Mm.
Would you wear this?
No. But all I wear is jeans and t-shirts, so.
Says the
And
boy
sweatshirts.
in jeans and a sweatshirt.
Yeah. Jeans, t-shirts, and sweatshirts. That's all I wear.
Moment of truth, that foot fits. Yes. Yes. This is a big deal, babe.
Yeah.
To find shoes that actually fit on my fat broken foot, this is a major, major steal. Alright, and last but not least, we have got the lightweight jacket that I asked for. So far so good. Feels like it's got some stretch to it. Feels like it fits. This is always a plus. We like things that fit. Yeah? Yeah? Cute little jacket.
Mm-hmm.
Will it zip? That is also a very important question. Yes, it does. Zips over to boobas. That's.
Have you worn?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Not everything can zip over the boobas.
Okay.
And it has the pockets, which is very much appreciated. Can store some snack treats for the babes in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. How many tail flicks? 1, 2, 3. A tentative 4. I'm gonna take a tentative 4 on this jacket. It is really comfy. I love the amount of stretch in this, so I can actually like do things with my arms. That's very nice. Especially if you have wide arms like me, you know that struggle. So that actually is really, really nice. Like I said, it's got the curved hem to it. It's long, so I can bend over and not worry about everything peeking out the back. And yeah, I really like it. It's a good color. It'll go with everything. And then the real kicker, if you will.
Aren't you just pleased with yourself?
I am. Look at these boots. Look, they fit. They're so cute. I like them. They're simple, but they're cute. They're very comfy. They fit on my foot, which is obviously very important. And they would go with a lot. I mean, this is a dang outfit right here that I got going on. So, we love to see it. Woo! Peanut Gallery, how do we feel about the boots?
They're nice. I like them.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, baby.
Really cute.
Yay! Alright, we are in a time crunch, so we're gonna very quickly say, hello! And check out the prices and everything, see what the stylist said about these clothes. Says, hi there, Cassie! Happy Fix Day! Glad to see there were several pieces I was interested in and hope you like them. Also, yep, the print on the Steve Madden is very fun. Black leggings or jeans. Thanks for letting me know you're interested in a light jacket. Very nice, versatile option. Is it like what you had in mind? Yes. And la la la, Angela. I don't think I've had Angela before, but very nice. Thank you for styling me. And for prices, I mean, you saw the preview prices, so oof, that cargo jacket is $91. But I would wear it almost every day. The popcorn pullover's $68. Oh my god, the booties, I had to have known that. They're $80. The v-neck sweater's $48 and the checker sweater is $69. If I were to get everything, it would be $246.25, which I should probably pick and choose, but even if I do just get the popcorn sweater, the jacket, and the boots, that'd be like $230. I don't know. I have choices to make, my friends. Help me. Please help me. What did you think of the items? Please let me know in the comments down below. You can also just let me know in general how you're doing. Like I said, what you thought of these things. Do you get Stitch Fix? As always, my affiliate link is down below if you want to check them out. I appreciate the support. I appreciate you guys watching. And as always, I hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, stay cool or warm, I guess, depending on how you're feeling this time of year. And stay well until next time. Bye, guys.